So we've created this dashboard with one widget, which is, again, not super useful. We can get this information just by going into the report itself. So what if we wanted to look at some other things? It's more of a snapshots. So let's click on edit and we're going to add some more widgets. So we've added accounts. So let's go to charter table and let's add our contact report that we have here and click select. And again, you're going to get the same sort of options of different charts. In this case, there is no option for stack chart because this is just a summary report. So we're going to go with a horizontal bar chart. And the y-axis is going to be the account name, its record count, and we're going to use shortened number units. Decimal places will leave it automatic. We can sort by record count or we can sort by account name. So if it's account name, it's going to be in alphabetical order. If it's record count, it's going to go, in this case, from smallest to biggest, or we can change it to biggest to smallest. So let's do record count, the most records, biggest to smallest. And we're going to leave the theme as light because that's what we had on the previous one. We're going to click add. Now we can drag and drop this anywhere, and we can make it bigger or smaller depending on what prominence we have. We're going to leave it as the same size because I'm going to add another widget here. So now we have our new accounts by type and our new contact report. I'm going to click, but I realized I made a mistake. I didn't change the title. So what I'm going to do is click on the little pencil icon and go down to the title, and we're going to change the title to contacts by account. So now we have a better idea of what this is. We're going to click save, and that will update it. But we're going to add another widget. So we're going to click on widget, pick charter table, and let's do leads, and click select. So we've set this up as leads by type, so whether they came from the web or a phone inquiry, partner referral, or purchase list. And I'm going to do a donut chart for this. And so this is a bit more visually interesting for something like this. You can see what slice is coming from what area. We're going to leave it at record count. We're going to slice by lead source, and we're going to keep it at shortened number. Now what we can do is also click on show percentages. So now you can see that 31% come from purchase list and 31% come from web. Go down and we're going to say new leads by source as our title, and we're going to leave it as the light theme, and click add. And I'm going to drag it up here to fit it in here, and now I'm going to click save. Okay, let's add one more widget and click charter table, and I'm going to add this opportunities report that I've created. So again, we're going to have this is number of opportunities by account. I'm going to leave it in sorted by account name, so in alphabetical order, and I'm just going to say opportunities by account and leave it in light theme. Click add. Now this one I think is particularly important, so I'm going to change the size so it goes across the whole screen and goes down a bit more so it's a bit larger. And we're going to click save, and we're going to click done. And then if I was viewing this dashboard, I would want to click refresh. And as I said before, that's going to ping all of these underlying reports and then bring in the most up-to-date information. So we'll just wait for these all to refresh. A note on refreshing, you can only do it so many times within so many minutes. So if you've just refreshed like 5 to 2 minutes ago, you won't be able to refresh again. So that's adding other widgets from different report sources to your dashboard. So in the next video, we're going to go over filtering the dashboard and how that can affect the underlying reports for viewing.